to our channel. We have two very special guests with us staying here in Florida with us. Our two nephews. Are you? Samuel and Wyatt. So Samuel, how old are you?
10.
10. And Wyatt?
9.
9. So do you like YouTube? Yes?
Yeah, I want to become a YouTuber.
Yes. And what are we making today?
The ultimate breakfast sandwich!
Yes. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how to make that ultimate breakfast sandwich. It's going to have lots of delicious ingredients, and we are getting ready to do it right now.
Step 1, wash your hands. We've already done that, but we're going to do it again.
Perfect.
So the bacon is right now cooking, and I think the bacon's done.
Perfect. So we're going to move it to here. And we have our oven set at 350, and we're just going to keep them warm while we cook the rest of our bacon sandwich.
Do you want me to?
What did you call our sandwich?
The ultimate breakfast.
The ultimate breakfast sandwich.
I'll be making toast now. So really, you can use any type of bread, an English muffin, a bagel. I'm a man who doesn't like his bread that toasted, so I'll probably just go for like a medium toast. I want it to be hot, but I also don't want it to be burnt. Hey, you want to help me butter?
Sure.
Tell Terry we perfected making our own butter.
You made butter?
Yeah.
You want to put these in here?
Yeah. They made butter. You should make your own cooking life hacks videos.
That's a good
Like
idea.
setting a fork with warm butter, then you can rub it all over your toast, which I care in the world.
That's awesome.
I have no cooking experience. So we're gonna put the bacon on the sandwich. I'm gonna put 4 strips each. 2 horizontally, other 2 vertical. So this way, no matter where you bite, you're practically getting bacon.
I love that.
I'm gonna be cooking the eggs.
We're gonna do a fancy little thing. We're gonna put a ring mold in, and you're gonna pour it right on.
Why is that reason you make cookies?
And we're just gonna let it sit for a second.
Why?
Well, it's gonna kind of like try and hold it together. It's not really working. That was just an idea that I had. So I'm using a cookie cutter. And it's not working. And it's, oh yeah, see, there you go. That was a very good idea.
I'm a professional.
That's awesome.
We are trying to form, so like.
Kind of trying to make it stay round, and it might work. Like Wyatt had a great idea to like make sure to spray it down. So this is going to be real hot.
You may have.
Oh, it was so close though. Look,
I know.
you're doing good. Look at that.
Actually, worked better than I thought it would.
You doing good, Sammy?
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Just be careful you don't. Oh, that's a great idea. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Look at that.
Watching, subscribe, like and subscribe for the rest of your, for hopefully good luck with making this meal.
Thanks, guys. Remind everyone, what is it that we're making again?
The ultimate breakfast sandwich!
Yes! Perfect. So that's our intro. And so now, yep, we cut it.